Hi everyone, today we're just going to show you how to very quickly create a one-page website. So once you're logged into WIX, you hit the in the My Site section, you'll see your college site, and you're just going to create a new site. Then select Other, choose a template, and then in the top here select Blank Templates. Now I'm not against you using an existing template, but you will need to delete all of their media, including their images. But if you found a layout that you like and you want to save yourselves a little bit of time, that's absolutely fine. But I'm going to start from scratch. I like the challenge, and I like to have a complete blank canvas. So select Blank Templates. I'm going to start from scratch and select Edit. Now we all know that WIX can be a little bit temperamental, so big suggestion is that you save as you go. So I'm going to save straight away here, and we'll call this test site. Save and continue. There we go. Okay, I haven't published it yet, so we're just going to edit the site. So there's areas of this site. Now, as I said before, this is going to be a one-page website. So everything on all of my content is going to be here. My header is where, if you have multiple pages set up, the header will be, whatever you put in the header will appear on all pages. Likewise with the footer. At the side we have margins here, and they're kind of what we would call not safe spaces to put content, because every device is different. If you're viewing the internet on an older machine, the margins here would not appear. So be mindful that if your target audience, for example, is somebody that is unlikely to have access to a modern device, and if they're running like Windows 2000 or an old Mac or something like that, then this format, the safe space is in the center, not in the margins. Most modern devices though will allow you to view the margins. You've also got switch to mobile, so with WIX you need to make, if you're planning on making a mobile site as well, you need to design it so that it's friendly for both, and you would tweak the design in the mobile site. First though, and all I need you to do is look at the desktop version. So you can though at a later date tweak it for mobile, especially if it's something you are going to use in the public domain. Most people will view on their mobile sites rather than their computers. It's more convenient. So first thing I need to do in the header is get some items. I need a menu. So I'm going to add menu, and I'm going to select from here just one that I like the look of. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. So I'm going to make sure that this menu appears in the header, so I drag it up to the top. I'm also going to add a logo to my header shortly, so I'm going to make my header a little bit bigger, and you do that by clicking on the header area, select the stretch arrow. So anything I add, all of my pages or anchors are going to go in the menu here, and we need to be able to set it up to do that. So I'm going to add very quickly a text box. I'm going to select a paragraph. I quite like the look of that text. It's nice and clean. Edit text, and what I've got on a different Word document here is just a bio that I've lifted from the Rocket House website. So I'll copy that and then paste it in. So to copy something, Command C. To paste it, Command V, and the quick shortcuts. So here I need to highlight the text to then change the size of it, or the font, or underline, or highlight it, or the color of the text. Many things I can do from that, but that is essentially my bio. And we're not judging the text at this point. I'm just showing you how to do it. I need to set an anchor now on this page to add to my menu that this is the bio. So what we do is we click again the plus sign, we go to menu, and in the menu there's anchors at the bottom there, and then you click the anchor icon here. What that then does is creates an anchor label, which we rename, and we're going to call this bio. Now it's still not in my menu yet. and I want it to be in my menu. So in order to do that, we need to click the menu itself, select Manage Menu. Here I can add any pages that I might add, but because we're doing everything on one page, we're going to do it using anchors. So I select the Add Link button, and here it says Add Links and Anchors to your menu. So I select that, select Anchor, and then it asks me which anchor I would like to add. Sometimes, the more anchors you add, the more list will appear in this list. At the moment, I've only added one, so it's the only one I can have. So select that. What will happen now is a new link appears under here, and we name that bio also, and that will appear in our menu. So on our menu now, there is the bio. If I hit preview, it just moves me to that section, and then I can scroll back down to the home. So that's how you add an anchor. I'm going to add a blog. So add, let's go to blog at the bottom here, and I'm going to add it to site. Now with the blog, you can have sort of all sorts of things. You can create weekly posts. You can add, people can chat about stuff on your site, whatever you want to do. But this is just a basic template for a blog, and that's put it there at the top in a blog page. Okay, so when you create a blog, it doesn't add it to the one page itself. So if I now go to my menu, you'll now see at the top here I have to look at site menu. I've got a bio anchor and I've got a blog. Okay, so I'll leave that there. Back to my main home page. Now I want to add a contact form. So I'm going to select contact and forms. I'm going to pick a form, move it to beneath the bio. It's glitching a little bit, but there we go. Okay, now I need to add an anchor to the contact form. So we add menu, anchors, select the anchor icon. It kind of is quite intuitive. It knows roughly where you want to put it. So I'm going to rename that contact. I'm going to say contact us. Done. Now in my menu, the contact us has appeared before the bio and the blog, but I want it to be at the end. So I'm just going to drag it down to the bottom, and then it puts it there. So now if I preview the site, when I select blog, it takes me to a blog page. If I go to contact us, it will take me back to the other page and scroll down. And that essentially is what anchors does. So on my site there are currently only two pages. There is the home page with bio and contact set as anchors, and there's a page for the blog. I thought you could put blog on one page. There's probably a way you can, but I haven't sussed that out yet. How do I add a YouTube video for my portfolio? Well, we add video and music. Now you can upload, if you've got stuff that you don't want YouTube to close down, so you've got your own videos but it's got copyrighted music on and stuff like that. Obviously that's breaking the law if you're using the video in the commercial sense. If you're actually a functioning business, you need to have permission for the things that you use. If though, for example, you've made a music video for college and you wanted to show it on your college website, you would upload it to WIX, because the minute you put copyrighted material onto YouTube, it will close you down. So, but how do you add a YouTube video? I always suggest anything you've made, you upload it to YouTube first, and then import it and add a link. So YouTube is here in the single video players. I'll add a video, and then I can change the video by copying, adding the YouTube link down here. So let's just find one on YouTube very quickly. I'm going to put my old band video in because I own that material. Okay, so here's the video I want to add, and I'm going to look at the video. I will share the link, copy the link, go back to my WIX editor where it says change video. In the link at the bottom, I'm going to Command V, and now my music video is in there. So we can put that in. I'm going to resize it, and I'm going to set an anchor. So add menu, anchors, rename the anchor to video. You might call it portfolio and have several videos there, entirely up to you. It's not in my menu yet, so I need to then click on my menu, manage menu, add the link, add anchor, select from the anchors video, click done, new link, and rename that video. Done. So preview the page. We've now got video, we've got bio, we've got contact us, all on that one page, and we've got a blog set up on another page. Then I could publish. I'm not going to today, but we could publish. When you hit publish, it provides you with a link, and then you can copy that link. Now, if you just want to copy the link easily, you can hit save, and then you can edit the link and rename that link if you want to, and then copy and paste that into your other WIX sites. So that's very, very quickly how you do it. Now, social media links is the final part. You can do that from social. Select a template for the ones you want, and where it says set social links, you then delete the ones you don't want. So I don't want Twitter, I don't want Pinterest, I don't want Tumblr. I just want my Facebook page and my Instagram. On Facebook, over in the right here is the actual link, so you can rename it to the right one. I'm going to change that to, so I've changed that to Mafia 4 UK. Done. And I'm going to change my Instagram to John T. Lee guitar. So now I've set those links. Click done. And here's my social links, and I want them to be in my header as well. So I might just put them there just for now, or you might have them on the footer of the page so that they appear on every page. Now if I preview that, when we go to Facebook, we've then got the Mafia 4 page, that works, and Instagram takes me to John T. Lee Guitar, and that's how it works. So any questions, come back to me. The video may be a bit glitchy. I know I've had to record and pause, so if you've missed anything, please just ask me questions. Good luck, guys.